Good day, everybody. Ricardo, Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I wanted to talk about getting served by a creditor. What should you do? The answer is go to court. If you don't go to court, that creditor will automatically win, and now they could go ahead and take advantage of whatever laws your state allows to recover that debt. So if you don't show up, they automatically win. The best thing to do is show up to court. It doesn't mean that you're guilty just because you show up. When you go to court, I recommend that you dispute it. That way you put the burden of proof on the creditor. I've had a lot of clients tell me that they use my advice, they go to court, they dispute it, and then the creditor doesn't show up or the creditor doesn't have any validation of the debt and they end up winning. So if you get served, show up to court. You don't have to get an attorney. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, comment or you could call me. Thank you very much.